library kids.
I throw a stone into the water. I play the ball. I fixes the car. I build a house. I learn new words.
Very good. What is this word?
I study in a class. I dances with my friends. I sing a song. La 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 la. Singing all day long. I draws a picture. I cut vegetables. I sends a message. I brings my bag. I take a photo. Click! I gives you a gift. I helps my mother.
Yes, you do. You're a big helper. All clean.
I call my friend. I sell vegetables. I buy some fruits. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. I rides a bicycle. I drives to work.
Thank you for watching this videos. Please subscribe for more.